There are two ways to record your discussion posts using Canvas Studio. The first is to actually go into your discussion post. This is what our discussion post currently looks like, and we're going to hit reply here. It'll bring up this screen, and you're going to hit this little plug and choose Canvas Studio, which will bring up your Canvas Studio. You have several options here. The first is Studio Caption, which is what I recommend using if you're just recording a short discussion post. The second one is Screencast-O-Matic, and that would be one you would use should you need to record not only your face but your screen. And the last one is Add Media. And Add Media would be if you have recorded your discussion post using your cell phone or an outside program and you need to upload that file into Canvas Studio so that your instructor will accept it. You would click there, click on Browse Files, find the file on your computer and submit it that way. What I'm going to go over with you today is how to capture your discussion post directly in Canvas Studio. You have your camera up. You can enable whichever camera you have. You can enable whichever microphone you have, and then you would simply click start recording. It gives you a quick countdown. You would record your discussion post and then you would click finish. You're going to want to name that discussion post and hit save media. Now, before you submit it, you're going to click on whichever of those. You're going to click on Collab View, and you're going to make sure that Allow Transcript Download is ticked green. Your professor requires that you have a transcript to make this course accessible to all students. So you will make sure that that is clicked green, and then you will click Embed Media. It'll go ahead and put your video right in your discussion post, and all you need to do is click reply. There's also another way that you can record your discussion post, and that's by clicking Studio over here in the far menu. It brings up that same menu. You're going to go ahead and click the Create the Studio Capture. You're going to go ahead and record that video. You're going to then finish. You're going to name it, and then you're going to hit save. Now, to share it from this area, you're going to click on these three buttons here, and you're going to share the media. Click on links, click on create a public link, click here on copied. Then you will go back into your discussion post, you will hit reply, and then you will copy and paste that link and hit reply. If you have any questions about how to record your discussion post, please reach out to your professor. Have a great day.